Hey everyone, it's me Tin, so welcome back to my channel. I want to pop on and do a video really quick to basically kind of do my April spreads in review, or April in review for my weekly planner spreads, because a lot of times when I film my plan with me's, I'm usually back planning or memory planning, and I typically, because I feel like they're already kind of long enough, I typically don't write in my plans on camera. That may change in the future, but for right now, I just kind of like to, get the stickers down, get the plans, get that all hashed out, and then I usually fill it in later. And I typically will post kind of the after the pen spreads on Instagram sometime, although I haven't really been doing that lately. So I figured what better way than to show y'all how they end up looking, since I always say that I post them on my Instagram, but I end up posting them before the pins. And then, so anyway, so to be a little bit more consistent with that, I am going to be doing a video and posting the after the pen spreads on Instagram. So you can definitely follow me over there, but I just hadn't gotten around to posting many of them, so I figured there was no better time than now to go ahead and just do a video showing y'all how they turned out. I'm not going to go through like each individual plan, but I will highlight specific events from each maybe day or whatever, or from each week. So we'll go ahead and jump in. So I'm just going to bypass all of this. And this is just April. So this is just from the first week of April through the last week of April, with a week ending with a week that was like the 29th through the 4th or whatever. And then we jump into May. So that's how I work that. So this particular spread was and let me see if I can only zoom in so much. Okay, so this particular spread was the 1st through the 7th. And so basically what I did for this spread was, it was spring break for my son's school, and it basically just got a lot of work done. The main thing that I did that week was saw Captain Marvel. So other than that, it was just pretty straightforward. I was working on filling orders, things like that. But this spread was done, of course, in my typical B6 Rings week on 3 page plus list. But it was done using my Werk, spelled W-E-R-K, kit. And it's kind of like a very, I guess, boss babe, planner girl, but very muted, kind of mauve-y colors. Very different from what I would normally do as far as an aesthetic. But I remember seeing this artwork last year and really liking it. So like I say, it's quite a departure from what I would normally use for a spread. But I really like the artwork, and really once I laid the spread down, it turned out really pretty. So this is the weekend page with the weekend banner, and yeah, so that was like spring break week for my son, and that was the first week of April. So next we'll jump into the second week of April, which was my birthday week, and this kit and this spread was done, I'm going to zoom out just a tad. And this spread was done using my favorite things kit. And I spent like a week on this kit because it was basically all the things that it's like me. So it's just my favorite things. So for this kit, you'll see this little sticker feature a lot. It actually is a piece of vellum. The artwork I have on a vellum right here in the front of my planner. So this kit was like all pink, all glitter. It had basically everything that I love. So everything from polka dots to roses to jewelry shoes. I had some gold foiled elements in there. This really cute little unicorn cake. And yeah. So I filled it in. Didn't really have a lot going on. I think I kept this week pretty light since it was like my birthday week. And then this is just the back page, and I chose to put the weekend banner here at the bottom. It's a really pretty kind of dainty script texty weekend banner that I actually had to do some sticker surgery on. But yeah, still the spread turned out beautifully, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And as always, I always put the extra full box over here in the gratitude, and I always save room to fill these in later. I'll probably just put some additional journaling thoughts down, scripture, things like that. So moving on, this was my Easter week spread. This is a kit by Scribble Prints Co. And I'm not remembering the name of it right now, so I apologize. But I don't believe it's in her shop anymore anyway. But this is a really Beautiful kit, and it made an absolutely beautiful spread. It featured this really pretty double box of like the eggs in a nest. This is one of my favorite full boxes with the birds and the little bird cage and the flower in the vases. And the colors were super light, super pastel. It was like this really light green, these light pinks. Yeah, it was really, really pretty. It's the first time I ever used a Scribble Prints co-kit, and it turned out really, really well. So it was a lot of fun playing with this kit. And I have my little weekend banner up here, and this is actually my cousin's little girl's birthday, so that was really an important day that we marked, actually Easter Sunday. And yeah, so that was Easter week in my planner. And then next up we have one of my absolute favorite kits with some of my most favorite artwork. This kit is called Hey Girl, and it was used to plan the week of the 22nd through the week of the 28th. And again, I always do Monday through Saturday, and with this particular inserts. And I foiled this kit. So this is a kit from my shop called Hey Girl, and it is foiled. And it's gorgeous. I saw this artwork last year, created a kit in it, and then I reformatted it this year and foiled it. And I have since re-released it, although I did not re-release the foil version. But yeah, anyway, if you order it, then your version will come foiled. And I chose to do rose gold for the foiling because the kit, a lot of the graphics and design elements in it were more geared to, or gave way rather to rose gold than regular gold. So it's really colorful. The colors pop, but they're still springy and kind of pastel-y, but I guess like this is oxymoronic, but like bright pastel, like soft colors but bright, if that makes sense. So, and I love the fact that it had this little donut washi, which I foil here at the bottom. And yeah, so you can kind of see I scoot my planner up, and the washi was foiled as well here at the bottom, and the date covers were foiled. And yeah, this is my first time foiling a full kit, and or foiling a kit period, well, except for my B6 monthly kit. But yeah, it was a little daunting, but I figured it out. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna be adding more full kits to the shop for sure. This is the back page. That weekend banner is one of my absolute favorites. And this full box right here with the milkshake and the donuts is so cute, so pretty. By far my favorite full box, which I forgot to foil this one. This is an extra full box you get in the kit, but this is one of my favorite ones. This is one of my favorite ones. And then I think this girl, I mean, she is just like, I mean, she has pink hair, so it doesn't get any better than that. So that is the basically second to last week of the last full week in April, and that's the Hey Girl kit from my shop. And then for the last week of April, and this is a plan for me that just went up just a couple days ago. This kit, this spread was done using my Glamour kit, and this is all girly, all pink fashion, Paris, you know, it just really personifies, yet again, April was all about kits that personified me. And so I just basically use kits that I really, really love, kits that really kind of appease my super feminine aesthetic. And the pink, I can never get enough pink. The big event for this week was that I went and saw Adventures Endgame. And if you see back in the Hey Girl spread, I do have Endgame when it came out marked by this sticker. But over here is when I actually went to go see it. And I went to go see it like the following Tuesday that it came out. And I just basically have my movie marquee here, and I just slap that sticker right slap dab in the middle. And yeah, in this kit it features a full box with this really cute like little moped and shopping bags, and you can kind of see a little bit of the Eiffel Tower in the background. This is another one of my favorite full boxes with like the zoomed in of the dress with the florals. So again, like this kit, oh, and then the bottom washi is like this really chic hat, and they mirror each other. I mean, who doesn't love like a super big fashionable hat? It's just gorgeous. And then here's the back page, or the weekend page. And the weekend banners was actually really cute for this. It's gonna be kind of hard to see it, but it was a really cute weekend banner. I'll take this out really quick and show y'all. but it's a really cute weekend banner. And yeah, let me get it to focus really quick. So yeah, that's the weekend banner. It's very much the same as in the My Favorite Things kit, but it has a more of a decorative background, and it's actually like black glitter. So yeah, that was a really cute, really pretty spread. Love the weekend banner. I think that it's so cute. And yeah, that wraps up my entire, so then there's May ready to go. But that wraps up all of oh, and this is one of my other favorite full boxes as well, with just the big bow on top of like the Eiffel Tower, which is just awesome. But that wraps up my kind of April in review for all of the spreads that are in my week on 3 pages inserts and my B6 rings. This is the only planner that I'm actually planning full weekly spreads in right now. So yeah, so if you guys like this, and you know, let me know what you think. If you like this, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like me to do more videos like this, just kind of overviewing the spread, kind of with it all filled in, I'd absolutely love to continue to do so. But yeah, let me know what you think. You can follow me over on Instagram, where I will post like more up close zoomed in pictures of the spreads. And that's at Bliss and Faith. My shop, you can find all the kits except for the Silver Prince kit, clearly, in my shop. They're all still in my shop now. And I'll link my shop below if you want to check them out. But yeah, until next time, that is it. And thank you all so much for watching.